connecting the CSS with other website, alternative method, inline CSS, internal CSS, understanding the syntax also, selector, property, value selector also. Now here paragraph color green. Now if I want to set the here background color, then I can set here applying the common styling technique also, container width also, height, margin means that the gap, okay. Width means this one horizontal gap means width, okay. Margin means the spacing between the thing, okay. So maintaining the proper spacing is also crucial to make the best one. Now here Google Map, okay. Now if we wants to display that Google Maps here, now let's see. Uh, I just try to display that map. I think this code won't run, but let's try to see this. Okay, now this code isn't running because we haven't linked with style.css. Okay, now here we have to apply that font color. Now here that CSS file is here. Now here go here and just copy this one. Now go here and then delete this one. Now run. Okay, I think again this isn't running. Why? I think there is some kind of error. Now testing, you can test here also. So uh, here basically we have learned about how to guideline about the CSS. Okay, if you want some more, then here is our chatbot. You can use our chatbot. I have made this video just for understanding. Okay, just for explaining the video, and I have made article. So on that article, I have to put the video. So here is our chatbot. You can use our chatbot. All the thing are free, and if you are facing any issue, then you can directly contact me also. Okay, have a great day.